Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today we'll be sharing our top alfresco entertaining and outdoor styling tips. Whether you're curating a festive gathering, outdoor lounge area, or wish to create a permanent dining space that transports your senses, the perfect setup is one that caters to the change of seasons, celebrations and lifestyle preferences, and allows seamless flow from your interior to your exterior living. The first step is to identify the function of the space, the location, and the environment that you are working with. Is there space for two zones, a dining space and a relaxation zone with lounges and armchairs? Or do space restrictions require you to flip between the two, as this will alter your furniture choices and styles? Architecturally, beams, columns, obelisks, garden artistry, sculptures and water features can serve to create a beautiful outdoor oasis. In the warmer months, a classic parasol, sunshade, cabana, pergola or gazebo will allow you to linger even on the hottest days while providing shelter against the elements on cooler days. Consider a ceiling fan under your covered veranda for summer months for airflow, and an outdoor fireplace, mobile fire pit or gas heaters to provide warmth in winter and ambience at night time. When it comes to selecting your furniture, prioritise comfort, functionality and style. Key pieces include a dining table with a mixture of long bench seats and chairs, and if space allows, lounge furniture such as sofa, armchairs, ottomans and coffee table for when it's time to sit back and unwind. The lounge area is a perfect place to enjoy pre-lunch drinks, casual tapas-style entertaining and relaxing over coffee. Round and square tables are more informal and ideal for smaller groups, as everyone can see and hear each other. Rectangular farmhouse tables, long benches topped with grain sack or stonewashed linen cushions are ideal for larger gatherings. Other useful pieces include a portable bar cart, lightweight console or trestle tables that can serve as a makeshift serving surface, and a mobile bar station. If your alfresco area is undercover, opt for the beauty of natural materials of cane, rattan and wicker. For longevity that doesn't compromise on style, select weather-resistant finishes of synthetic rattan, teak, wrought iron, aluminium and stainless steel frames. For textural warmth, style and interest, select a variety of UV-protected outdoor scatter and floor cushions that won't fade and perish with the elements. A selection of knitted, cotton wool and fleece throw blankets are perfect to bring out on cooler evenings for guests. Placemats, coasters, napkin holders, napkins and table runners add personality, colour and textures and can be adapted to the seasons and situation. Rattan and natural linens are earthy and organic. Hand-blocked prints and stripes are more colourful options, and coated and vinyl tablecloths and placemats are durable and functional while still offering colour and interest. Soften paved areas with rugs and floor mats. Attractive and durable, outdoor rugs can transform a space by adding a pop of colour, texture, and the perfect tool to zone the area. Add ambience with a variety of different light sources. IP-rated wall, pendant and garden lighting adds drama and atmosphere, highlighting the landscaping and extending your alfresco entertaining into the evening. For a festive touch, hang battery or solar-operated light strings around your balcony railing, fencing, above your seating area or in the trees to create an inviting atmosphere. Candlelight is always the most romantic and can range from tea lights and pillar candles on the table to large hurricanes defining your alfresco areas or along pathways. UV all-weather battery-operated pillar candles are weather-resistant and will continue to illuminate even in the harshest of weather. Consider citronella candles to ward off bugs. To achieve an alfresco space that is open, breezy and relaxed, marry the style of garden you live amongst with your table settings, barware and decorative centerpieces. For casual family-style entertaining, serving trays, platters and wooden boards are the ideal vessel for sharing plates. Consider investing in alfresco collections of plates, bowls and condiment dishes that are lightweight and durable, crafted from acrylic, bamboo, melamine or tin. Beautifully crafted acrylic glassware and water pitchers can be used comfortably outdoors without the risk of broken glass if dropped. Set up a designated bar area, including bar tools, glassware, drinks trays, filled ice buckets and sliced citrus fruits, as it makes it easy for guests to help themselves to a drink, and it's a great place for guests to mingle as they arrive. The focus should be on creating a welcoming space where your guests can relax and feel at home. For a Hampton-style design, lay the table with soft blue floral or chintz fabric and use glazed white ceramics for contrast and freshness. Remember, if you don't have an outdoor area in your own home, all of these ideas can be transported to a beautiful park for an alfresco picnic. The finishing touch to your tablescape includes vases of seasonal blooms, bowls of colourful fruit and vegetables, leafy foliage or potted herbs. Adding potted palms, figs, citrus plants and hedges of buxus or hydrangeas are all natural ways to bring energy, colour and privacy to your alfresco entertaining space. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these alfresco entertaining and outdoor styling tips in your own home. Remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.